Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden wall decoration ideas, wooden home decoration ideas, wooden indoor decoration ideas, outdoor decoration ideas and office decor ideas available here for you in this video. So friends, how are you? I hope you'll be fine and doing well. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden wall decoration, home decoration ideas. There are very beautiful and very trendy designs of woodworking ideas available here for you in this video. So friends, first of all, I suggest you to kindly watch this video till end and keep spotting and keep watching my channel. And also press bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon, you may get your notification of my all new videos. There are most stylish, most beautiful and most attractive wooden projects ideas. Those people who love such type of woodworking ideas, stylish decoration ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful, amazing and most stylish wooden wall decoration ideas, then I will tell you about some websites name like AliExpress, Amazon, eBay.com, Etsy.com. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you may get your notification of my all new videos. You may get notification of my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was done, how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas, wooden wall decoration ideas, wooden home decoration ideas and wooden office decor ideas. Give the feedback in the hammer section. I hope you'll like and you'll enjoy this video. There are very fantastic designs, there are very awesome designs, there are very beautiful ideas. How was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration? Kindly tell about this video. There are very beautiful ideas. There are very stylish ideas. There are very newly and most likely version of new collection of wooden collection. There are very beautiful and very attractive designs. So friends, visit my channel and see collection about woodworking. You can easily make these very beautiful stylish wooden decoration ideas if you know woodworking most beautiful, most trendy.